Meet AutoGPT, an AI that works like your personal employee. It doesn't just answer questions, it executes tasks, makes decisions, and even learns from its own actions. Sounds like science fiction, right? But now, AI can do more than just answer. Imagine if, instead of asking for information, AI could take full control of a process, automate repetitive tasks, and even improve its decisions over time. This is the future we're stepping into with AI agents. And trust me, it's happening faster than we thought. So what exactly are AI agents? At their core, AI agents are autonomous systems that can perform a variety of tasks on their own without the constant need for human supervision. Think of them as digital employees, task-oriented, focused, and efficient. Now, you might be wondering, how are they different from something like ChatGPT? Well, while traditional AI like ChatGPT responds to your prompts, AI agents go a step further. They don't just react, they act. They can take the input you provide and use it to make decisions, complete tasks, and even adjust their strategy as they go. Imagine telling a traditional AI to research something. It'll find the information and present it to you. But with an AI agent, you'd say, find the information, summarize it, and give me recommendations. The agent takes action, not just reaction. The key here is autonomy. AI agents are designed to work with minimal human intervention. They're like a super-powered assistant that doesn't need to be told what to do next. One of the most exciting examples of AI agents is AutoGPT. This AI agent uses the same powerful GPT-4 language model as ChatGPT. But with a twist, it works autonomously. You give it a task, and it goes out, gathers information, analyzes data, and produces results. It can even make decisions based on that data, just like a human employee would. Imagine asking AutoGPT to write a report. It won't just collect data and give it to you. It will organize the data, figure out which sources are the most relevant, write the report, and present it in a professional format. No one needs to tell it what to do next. It already knows. Then there's AgentGPT. It's another example of an AI agent that goes beyond the usual task handling. AgentGPT combines multiple AI models to tackle more complex, multi-layered tasks. Instead of relying on a single AI to complete everything, AgentGPT brings in a network of models that work together to solve problems faster and more efficiently. It's like assembling a team of experts to handle specific parts of a job. Now, let's talk about how AI agents can impact your everyday life. Imagine you're planning a vacation to Italy. Instead of spending hours searching for the best flight deals, reading hotel reviews, and figuring out the best places to visit, you simply tell your AI agent, "Plan my trip to Italy." And just like that, the agent takes over. It finds the cheapest flights, books the hotels, and even creates a detailed itinerary. It picks activities based on your interests, compiles a list of things to do, and sends you a PDF with maps, directions, and important details. What's more, it's all done without you needing to lift a finger after the initial request. That's the real power of AI agents. They're not just tools, they're personal assistants, available 24/7, and they never need a break. And while this is just one example, it shows how AI agents can drastically reduce the time we spend on repetitive tasks, leaving us more time to focus on the things that truly matter. So why do AI agents matter? For one, they have the potential to automate an incredible amount of tasks that people currently do manually. This could lead to huge advancements in productivity, efficiency, and even creativity. With AI agents handling the mundane stuff, people can focus on more strategic, creative, and value-adding tasks. As we move forward, AI agents will likely become a crucial part of our daily lives, whether it's organizing our work schedules, managing our emails, or even helping us shop smarter. They can learn from us and improve over time, making them incredibly valuable tools in the workplace. In fact, AI agents could soon take over roles that we didn't think were possible for AI, like customer service, virtual assistants, and even decision-making processes. As more industries adopt these tools, they'll become indispensable in making businesses run smoother and more efficiently. But this doesn't just affect work, it affects society at large. AI agents will change the way we interact with technology, making it more intuitive, responsive, and autonomous. And as this technology continues to evolve, we may even see a world where AI agents help solve larger global problems, from climate change to healthcare optimization. The rise of AI agents is inevitable, but what does that mean for human workers? Will AI agents replace human jobs, or will they complement our work in ways we've never imagined? We want to hear your thoughts on this. Drop a comment below and let us know what you think. And don't forget to subscribe for more insights into how AI is transforming the world around us. Stay tuned to explore the future of AI and what it means for all of us.